Alright, welcome back everybody. We're going to shoot a really quick video on this plant right here, and this is referred to as Buffalobur, as well as maybe a half dozen other names. So this is its botanical name. It's Solanum rostratum, I think you would pronounce that. Rostratum. Alright, that's what its botanical name is, but it's generally referred to as Buffalobur. And what it does is it puts out these gorgeous tomato-like flowers, and it is in the tomato family. Puts out these tomato-like flowers, but the thing about this plant is it puts out these little spiked ball things here. Alright, if you look at that really close, you can see those spikes are absolutely ferocious looking, and so they can be a problem. Now, I don't know how big this plant gets. I just pretty much just bought it for demonstration purposes, and that's why I'm growing it. But in general, I don't know anything about it. I know it can be an invasive species, and they do have some states that are having problems with this particular variety of plant. The cows eat it and stuff like that, but it's not growing around here, so I figured I'd buy the seeds, give it a grow, and just kind of review the plant out a little bit, and kind of give you an introduction to some of the more odd types of Solanum species that are related to the tomato. This is actually related to the tomato. It's not necessarily a tomato, and the fruits are not edible, but it is in that family. It is in the Solanaceae family. And so this is what it looks like. Here's the leaf. Alright, that's what the leaf looks like. And of course, here's the fruits, which are extremely spiny. Trying to zoom you up on that. That's what the fruits look like. They're really, really nasty. We just showed you the flowers. These plants are kind of small, and you can see that they are putting out all kinds of spiky pods on them. Again, these pods are not edible, so don't think that I'm growing this for edible reasons. I'm just growing this for just to review the different varieties of solanums out there, and there's quite a few. In fact, there's quite a few thorny tomatoes, and the only thorny tomato that's an edible version is the litchi tomato. All the other thorny tomatoes are considered to be toxic and or even poisonous. So that's the deal with the thorny tomatoes. What I'll do is once once this plant gets bigger and matures, I'm going to try to winter it over. And once the plant gets bigger and everything like that, we'll grow it out. We'll do a regular video on it. I obviously can't do a pod review or a tomato review on it because I certainly ain't going to eat that. But what we can do is we'll take one of those pods and we'll dissect it open on camera and basically see what's inside of it. So that'll be later in the coming months. It'll be 2021. I'm not sure if it'll be spring or summer, but as you can see, this plant's basically ready to. We could dissect this thing in a couple months. So we'll just kind of play it out, see how it goes, and then in time we'll cut one of those open. All right. So if you have any questions or experience with this plant, comment below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.